I've literally spent the last few hours in bed watching Emma Chamberlain videos and listening to the rain outside. I have journaled, tidied my room a bit, I made a mint tea. Like, do you understand how fresh I feel? I don't know, there's something about watching. I feel like a lot of people get this, and it's that there's something about watching Emma Chamberlain videos. I want to be really skinny. I want to move to New York and I want to change my wardrobe. I want to dye my hair. Like, what is it? I think it's because she's so aspirational and yet like humble at the same time. It's like an achievable goal for like everyone else, but it's actually not, because she is a millionaire. But we don't really see that, so we think it's like, oh, I can just be her tomorrow, even though I can't. It's been not a very nice day weather-wise, but it has been a nice day other things wise, because this morning we went into our like local town because it's my dad's birthday today, but everyone's kind of a bit ill, so it's like I haven't just been doing very much, and also the weather's just raining. Can you hear that? Isn't that magical? Anyway, yeah, so I think today is just kind of not doing very much, but tomorrow the weather's gonna be good again. It's gonna be 22 degrees and sunny, and I'm making the most of it. I'm going to the beach and I'm reclaiming the teeny tiny amount of colour that I got from the last week. Something is happening right now. It is freezing. It's June in Spain and it's really cold. Like, I've had to put my Christmas pajamas on. I haven't worn these since Christmas. What's going on? I'm so cold. I'm gonna have to like get my blankets out. It's final day. Final day, final day, final day. It's finally sunny. Oh my god. We're at the beach right now. It's like still early, it's like mid-morning, and there's so many walkers walking past me all the time, which is weird. But yeah, my parents have gone to walk the dog and I'm just lying on the beach soaking up the sun, and it is absolutely delicious. I have missed this. I've missed this so much. So yeah, I think I'm just kind of having a chill day at the beach. Gonna lie in the sun. back there is so nice. Don't really know where I am right now. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear any of this because of the wind, but basically we're on top of a mountain and I'm in the middle of nowhere. I don't actually know where I am. My phone's about to die as well. Oh! If I turn the brightness way down and zoom in, oh, it just looks like a piece of orange. Avatar arc. Look at that. Wow. Look at this place. Right now, I'm in a church. There is literally no one here. I feel a bit like I'm the last person on earth. It's so atmospheric. So this morning we went on a walk, as you will have seen, and yeah, I just thought I'd give a quick update because it's a bit creepy to be honest. It is a bit creepy. There's no one here. This is like a little hamlet and it's so old that they have the ancient metal or steel lamps for wooden torches. That's the kind of place that we're in right now. And yeah, I do feel a little bit like I'm recording these and then they'll be found when civilization is reformed like 100 years later or something. Waiting for my parents to come pick me up. But yeah, this is the vibe right now and it's a bit creepy, but it's also really quite peaceful and nice. You know, I don't think I'd be that sad if I was the last person on Earth, if I was one of the last people on Earth. Okay, I'm starting to get a bit freaked out, so. I just thought I'd give a quick outro to this video because I kind of just been like doing things with no explanation. So that was this morning when we went on our walk and went to the thing, and then I just sat and waited to get picked up for the whole rest of the time because I was really freaked out. I didn't know, there was something about that place that just, yeah. But I wanted to end the vlog here because tomorrow we're going on like a 10-kilometer walk up a mountain, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I've done a little bit of a different style, which I think I'm still very much trying to figure out my style of filming, and I think this is closer to what I want it to actually be. Yeah, so I just want to say thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.